If you're on a mobile device, it may be difficult to upload your credit report. No worries, just fill out the information and an email will be sent to you, which will allow you to upload your report in the email.
Hello everyone, I'm Dwayne Carpenter, founder of Limitless Lifestyles. And on behalf of Limitless Lifestyle, we would like to thank you guys and congratulate you guys on taking this actual step into improving your financial position. With that being said, let's get started. This is one of the most important parts of the actual process.
Fill out the pre-qualification form and upload your credit report.
We recommend creditchecktotal.com, privacyguard.com, or
Identity IQ.
Once you sign up for that and upload it to your application, within 1 business day, you'll receive an email on your projected funding amount.
We need your credit report so we can provide you the accurate funding amount that you will be rewarded.
We're going to have one of our funding specialists get in contact with you and have a free 15-minute consultation. This would allow them to determine the best strategies for you to receive the maximum amount of funding you can receive, as well as other strategies that you may need to expand on your business.
Don't have your credit report? Don't know how to pull it? No problem. Still fill out the application. Also, click the link below to see how you can pull your report from all 3 credit bureaus.